Hello children, Sai Ram. Now get ready for the active English. Okay, now today I want you all to keep your book in front of you. Okay, today we'll be doing chapter number 27. And in this chapter, we have to look at the images or the pictures which are given in the book and then answer the questions. Okay, so keep the book with you. Chapter 27, and I think the page number is 59 or 60. Now children, do you remember what are nouns? You have done it, right, in English grammar class? So what is noun? They are the naming words, right? Name of place, animal, thing. Remember? Okay. And you must be remembering the countable and uncountable nouns too. Right? So what is countable nouns? The nouns that can be counted. Right? And uncountable means they cannot be counted. Right? Uncountable nouns we cannot count. Isn't it? Countable nouns we can count, like books, pen, pencil. And uncountable means we cannot count them. We need something else. We need some measuring unit to count them, like juice, rice, sugar. Right? Okay. And in countable nouns we use many. Right? When we are to describe the or say something about the countable nouns, we use many. And for uncountable nouns we use much. Okay, so keep this in mind and then we will start doing our exercise. Okay, now children, there is this question in your book. Write questions beginning with how many. Right, how many means we are talking about what? Countable nouns, right? Okay, so write questions beginning with how many, then write answers using a few or a lot of. Again, we use a few or a lot of for countable nouns only. Okay, so what is our work? We look at the pictures and then we are to write the questions. Okay, and we'll begin it with how many. Okay, and then just below it we'll write the answer also. And we are to looking at the picture, we are to answer whether they are a lot of or they are few. Ready to go? Okay. So here, the first picture is about the oranges. Right? Can you see in your book? Oranges. So they are few or lot? Few, isn't it? So first we'll frame the question, right? Using how many. So it is how many oranges are there? Okay. How many we have used, right? We have to begin the answer with how many. So we have done that. How many oranges are there? And the answer, there are a few oranges. There are a few oranges. So we have used here a few. Right? So what is done here, children? We can see that we have used how many. Right? We have started with it and we have also used a few. Right? Okay. Now the next one. Again the same thing, children. Second one, again it is oranges only. But you can see the tray or the plate is full. So, how many oranges are there? There are a lot of oranges. Right? If you will compare the first and the second, there are more. So, there are a lot of oranges. Follow, children? So, in this way, you have to look at the pictures and answer, to write the question and answer also. Followed? Let's see the third one. Flowers. So, how many flowers are there? We have started with how many? How many flowers are there? Flowers are countable, right? So, we have used many. How many flowers are there? There are a few flowers. Few, right? We have used a few. The same way, now we can see the pot which is full of flowers, right? So, how many flowers are there? There are a lot of flowers. Isn't it? There are a lot of flowers. Now, we can see a picture of car, right? And some people are sitting there. Are there many or few? Few, right? So how many people are there is the question, right? We have made the question. How many people are there? And the answer is there are a few people, right? There are a few people. Okay. Same way, sixth one. Again we can see the car. People are sitting there. But many people are there, right? How many people are there? There are a lot of people. How many people are there? There are a lot of people. Okay. Now it is very easy. You have to just look at the picture and answer. Okay. You have to frame the question first. Then you will frame the answer. Write the answer for it. Okay. You will begin with what? Begin the question with how many, right? And then while writing the answer, you are going to write either a few or a lot of. So now this is homework for you. The 7th and the 8th one, you are going to do it as homework. Okay, children? So let's move ahead. Now one more question is there. Finish the sentences using all of, none of, a few of, and a lot of. Okay, so we have to use all these things. Which are they? Either we have to use all of, none of, a few of, or a lot of. Now again we have picture there. Can you see in your book also? The same picture you can see there. Yes, cars. We can see the cars. Are they countable or uncountable? Countable, isn't it? Okay, so what we'll do, we'll answer each of the question which is asked, right? Actually, it is a sort of fill in the blanks. So we are going to just fill the blanks by looking at the picture. Okay, because the answer is there in the picture itself. We have to just look properly, carefully and fill the answer. So shall we start? Okay. Now the first is, dash the cars have drivers. So if you'll see the picture, can you see? Yes, check in your book. Yes, all the cars have drivers, isn't it? So we'll write all of the cars have drivers. Okay, children? Then the second one, none of the cars have cats in them. Check, children. Can you see any cat there in any of the car? No, right? So, none of the cars have cats in them. So, answer is none of. Followed? So, this way only we are going to do our exercise now. Let's move to the third question. A few of the cars are white. Now, check the color, children. 2 colors only you can see. So, a few of them are white. So, we have written here, a few of the cars are white. Okay. Then the fourth one, a lot of the cars are grey. Yes, many of the cars, right? Not all, but a lot of the cars are grey. So, answer is a lot of. They are grey in color. All of the cars are grey or white. Yes. So the picture we can see. Again, check, children, in your book. Yes. Is there any other color other than grey or white? No. Right? So our answer is all of the cars are grey or white. Now the sixth one. All of the cars have wheels. Check into your book. Wheels are there? Yes, they are. So, all of the cars have wheels. Got it? Okay, let's move ahead. 7th one. A few of the cars are small. Again, check. Yes, there are some are big, some are small, right? But few are small. So, our answer is a few of the cars are small, small in size. The 8th one, a lot of the cars are big. Yes, few are small. That means the rest one, more of them are big. So, answer is a lot of the cars are big. Right? Okay, the ninth one. None of the cars are empty. Answer is none of the cars. None of. Right? Each car has a driver, isn't it? So it is not empty. So answer is none of the cars are empty. The cars are not empty. Someone is sitting, and that someone is who? Driver. Right? So none of is the answer. None of the cars are empty. The 10th one. All of the cars have windows. Yes, right? All the cars have windows. So answer is all of. All of the cars have windows. Clear, children? Okay, so now homework for you. The question number 11 and the 12th is homework. Okay, so what is your work? How you will solve this? You will look into the book, look at the picture, and you will get the answer. So you will have to write what is required. Followed? So we'll stop here. Right? You will do your homework properly. Complete all the exercises and write neatly, children. Check the spellings correctly, whether you have written correctly. Okay? So just don't be in a hurry to complete your work. Followed? Okay, we'll stop here. Bye.